In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete and update a support ticket in Jira Service Management. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira Service Management site and that you have access to the support project. From the main navigation, head over to the support section, then open the queues view. Here, choose the queue that shows all open requests in your service space. This is where you'll see the list of tickets that still need attention. Once the queue is open, locate the specific ticket you want to work on. The guide highlights a particular issue in the list. Go ahead and click that highlighted ticket to open its details. This takes you to the request view, where you can see the description, comments, status, and any linked issues. In the ticket, look for the control that lets you move the issue forward in its workflow. The highlighted area in the guide is the transition button that will eventually allow you to complete the ticket. Click the highlighted workflow or status button, and in the menu that appears, choose Complete. This tells Jira that you want to move the request to a completed or resolved state, but before it's finalized, you may need to fill in some required fields. A form will appear with a drop-down labeled Please Select. Click this drop-down. It contains options such as resolution codes or internal categories. In this example, you'll select the option labeled 1000. In your own setup, this might correspond to a specific resolution or internal identifier. The main idea is to choose the value your team expects when closing this type of ticket. Next, scroll down to the section where you can define relationships to other issues. Click on the field labeled Blocks, then choose the option Is Reviewed By. This sets a particular link type between the current ticket and another issue, indicating that the other issue is responsible for reviewing or validating this one. You'll now see a field where you can enter an issue key. Type in the highlighted issue key shown in the guide, then click the prompt that says Enter Issue Key or similar to confirm it. This creates the actual link between the tickets. Now move to the communication section of the ticket. Here you'll see two main options: Reply to Customer and Add Internal Comment. Click Reply to Customer if you want your message to be visible to the requester. Use this to confirm the work is complete, provide any final details, or ask for confirmation. If you need to add notes only your team can see, click Add Internal Comment instead. Internal comments are great for documenting troubleshooting steps, decisions, or follow-up actions that aren't relevant for the customer. You can switch between Reply to Customer and Add Internal Comment by clicking each option, just like the guide shows, before you start typing. Once you've chosen the right comment type and added your message, look for the highlighted button at the bottom of the comment area. Click this to save your comment and finalize the transition. At this point, the ticket will be updated with your communication, the issue link, the selected value, and the status set to complete, reflecting that the request has been properly reviewed and closed.